three reactions involving H2PO4 are given below, right? So this is phosphorus acid. Now in this is H3PO4 plus H2O gives your hydronium ion, that is H plus, H3O plus and H2PO4 minus. H2PO4 minus plus water gives again H2PO4 minus plus H3O plus. And again this is one of the equation, that is H2PO4 minus reacts with OH minus giving H3PO4 and O2 minus. The question is, in which of the above does H2PO4 minus acts as an acid? Students, this is phosphoric acid, right? Now this, in the very first equation, this phosphoric acid, that is your H3PO4, is reacting with water and is forming what? H3O plus plus of H2PO4 minus. So in this case, what is it doing? Your H3PO4 is donating one proton to what? Is donating one proton to water and is forming hydronium ion. So how is it acting? H3PO4 is acting as an acid and H2PO4 minus is what? Is its conjugate base, right? So your first option is ruled out. Now let's take up the second option given over there. That is, what is your second option? H2PO4 minus plus of H2O is giving what? HPO4 2 minus plus of H3O plus. Now here what is happening? This is a formation of H3O plus. It means this H2PO4 minus is donating one proton to H2O. So this is what? This is an acid over here. And what is this HPO4 2 minus? It is a conjugate base. And this is the hydronium ion. So here your H2PO4 is acting as an acid, right? So here it is your H2PO4 minus is acting as an acid. Now let's take up the third option. Third option is what? So any case, here your first is not acting as an acid. In the first option, H2PO4 is not acting as an acid. It is acting as an acid in the second one, right? So all the options are ruled out. Your answer is second only. But I'll work out for the third also. There is no option. First is not working as an acid. Third only, because it is one option correct, so it is not the thing. We have worked out for second. Now we have got the third option, and what is that is H2PO4 minus plus of OH minus is giving H3PO4 plus of O oxygen, right? So here see, from where hydrogen has been transferred? From where? From this OH hydrogen has been transferred to H2PO4. It means in the third reaction, H2PO4 minus is acting as a base, right? and your OH minus is here acting as a proton donor and is forming what? H3PO4, right? So students, there can be reaction where OH can act as a proton donor. So in the third reaction, this OH minus is acting as a proton donor. I should put a minus sign over here, that is over oxygen, right? So this is the answer of your question. So what is the answer? It is the second only. In the second equation only, H2PO4 minus is acting as a proton donor, right? Now, from which topic this question is, students? This topic is from ionic equilibrium, or this is conjugate acid-base pair, I can say. So this is conjugate acid base, right? And the marking scheme here was +4 and -1. That is, you'll be given 4 marks for the right answer and -1 for the wrong answer, right? So this was just a question of common sense. That's it.